Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Palvasha, your daily dose of easy English learning. Today we're going to learn one of the most commonly used tenses in English, and that is the present perfect tense. So first let's give a title on the top. It's present perfect tense, which we are learning today. Okay, fine. So let's start with it. By the end of this video, you will be confident using it in your everyday English, I'm sure. So let's begin. Now, what is present perfect tense? I'm presenting it on my screen to you. Full lesson will be given to you with examples and practice. English with Palvasha is my channel's name. Don't forget to subscribe to it to get more useful content. Okay, so the objective of today's video is that we will be learning the structure, the usage, the three main uses, basically the differences from past simple, the common mistakes. There will be some examples which I'm going to present on my screen. There is practice time which I'll give you, and there's recapitulation and also the outro too, right? So let's first take a look at the definition. What is present perfect tense, right? The present perfect tense connects the past with the present when we use it to talk about actions that happened in the past. ठीक है, जो हो चुका है already, something which has happened in the past but are relevant now, the experiences, the recently completed action. This is the major thing through which we use the present perfect tense, right? उर्दू में इसकी जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन होती है वो होती है चुका है, चुकी है, वो अपना काम कर चुका है, वो अपना काम कर चुकी है, और वो अपना काम कर चुके हैं, या वो खाना खा चुके हैं. ठीक है, सो इस तरह से इसकी उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी देख लें. नाउ लेट्स लर्न द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. द फॉर्मूला इज बेसिकली subject, whatever the subject is, the name of a person, or the noun, the subject, I, we, you, they, whatever the subject is, he, she, it. And then there is a helping verb which we have to use, has and have. This is quite important that we have to use has and have in it. Then the past participle form, third form of the verb, right? This is quite important. Subject is I, we, you, they, right? And then auxiliary verb is have and has, and then past participle is eaten, gone, finished, right? We have to use it with it, right? So with I, we, they, you, we have to use have. With he, she, it, we have to use has. Please note this thing down. For example, I have eaten breakfast. Okay, मैं खाना खा चुका हूँ. I have eaten breakfast. She has gone to school. वो school जा चुकी है. She has gone to school. So you can see this example. वो अपना homework या वो अपना काम finish ख़त्म कर चुके हैं. They have finished their homework. So you guys can see कि इसकी उर्दू क्या होगी. So you can better understand कि जब भी हमें कोई ऐसा sentence मिले, so we can use this, something which is already done, which has already happened. We are going to use has and have with it, and with third form of verb, ed, gone, eaten, right? So always use the third form of verb. This is the major tip, right? Okay, moving on towards the three main uses of present perfect tense, and that is the three main uses of present perfect tenses. Let's suppose the first one is experience, in which we use this to talk about the experiences in life without the specific time. So experiences in life, let's take examples. I have visited Turkey. She has never tried sushi. Have you ever flown in an airplane? So see, we are using have, has, have with all these things, right? Now we're saying don't say I have visited Turkey last year. Please don't use it because we cannot mention the specific time with it. We don't use specific time like yesterday, last year with the present perfect tense. Then that makes the whole sentence wrong. Now the second most important thing is recent actions with present result. For example, he has broken his leg. That's why he's on crutches now. I have lost my phone. ठीक है, मेरा phone गुम चुका है. I have lost my phone. Still can't find it. We have just finished our lunch, right? कि हम अपना lunch finish कर चुके हैं. We have just finished our lunch. So common adverbs we use in it are just, already, yet, recently, ever, or never. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. You can also use it while you are formulating your sentences, right? Then there is the third most important rule is unfinished time. Today, this week, and this year. For example, I have watched 3 movies when you are saying I have watched 3 movies, then if I'm going to put a full stop here, this is going to be an incomplete sentence. This week, then that is going to be, telling the time. She has read 5 books this year. We haven't met this month. So this is going to be very much specific when you are talking about the time. Today, this week, this year, now, then, yesterday. This is something yesterday, now, then you cannot use, but you can use this week, this year, this month to tell the unfinished time, at least, to complete the sentence. The common mistakes which students usually do: I have went, wrong. I have gone there. She has eat, wrong. With he has eat or she has eat. He has or she has eaten. With has, we're gonna use eaten, right? Then we will be saying I have saw that movie, wrong. I have seen that movie, third form, past participle. Always use the third form of the verb past participle when you are formulating the sentences of present perfect tense. Present perfect versus past simple. Present perfect is action matters now, time is unspecified. Past simple is action is completed in the past, time is specific. Present perfect, for example, I have eaten lunch. You're full now, you've eaten the lunch. I ate lunch at 1 p.m. When you mention the specific time, it is past simple. Present perfect, she has gone to the mall. She's still there, Past simple, she went to the mall yesterday. Now she came back, right? So that's something which is in the past happened. Alright, let's practice together. I'll say a sentence and you guess if it's correct or incorrect. The first sentence is I have finished my homework. Is it right or wrong? Take some time and let me know in the comment section below. I think it's going to be wrong because I have finished my homework is going to be the correct sentence. So this is wrong. She has written 5 stories. So this is going to be wrong. She has written 5 stories. Written 5 stories. Is it right or wrong? Okay, I hope you made the right correct, and that is correct. They have just arrived. Is it correct or not? Pause the video, mention in the comment section below. Yes, it's correct. He have gone to school or he has gone to school? I think you are correct. It is he has gone to school, so it's going to be wrong. We have seen that movie or have seen that movie? I think it's we have seen that movie, so it's going to be wrong. So I hope you guys have made the correct guesses, and if not, then you need to correct yourself because I told you the correct as well. Now you try, write in the comments, I have learned present perfect tense with Palwa Shah. So please write it in the comment section below so I can take a guess that yes, you have done the whole thing and practice it with me. Recap. Let's quickly revise what we have learned. Structure is has, have plus third form. Use for life experiences, recent actions with present result, and actions in unfinished time periods. Don't use it with past time expressions like yesterday, last week, 2010. Don't use it with that. Outro. Thank you for learning with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English with Palwa Shah for more daily lessons. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.